To fix camera flickering on Zoom 2025, follow this step-by-step guide. First, ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for Zoom, as outdated hardware can cause flickering issues. Next, check your internet connection, as a slow or unstable connection can also cause camera flickering. Try to connect to a wired network or move closer to your Wi-Fi router to improve your connection. Now, let's move on to camera settings. Open Zoom and click on the settings icon. Then select the video tab. Here, you can select your camera from the drop-down menu. Try switching to a different camera to see if the issue persists. Additionally, ensure that no other applications are using your camera, as this can cause conflicts with Zoom. Close any other video conferencing apps or software that may be using your camera. Another potential cause of camera flickering is outdated camera drivers. To update your camera drivers, go to your computer's device manager. Find your camera device, and right-click to select Update Driver. Finally, try restarting Zoom or your computer to see if this resolves the issue. If none of these steps work, consider reaching out to Zoom support for further assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to fix camera flickering on Zoom 2025 and enjoy smooth video conferencing.